Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things and I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever I have. So, guys, in my today's session, I'm going to talk about how you can answer the question that why you have changed your job. Okay, so what are the possible answers you can say in that question against that question I'm going to talk about it. So if someone the recruiter will ask you why you have changed your job so frequently, so what you need to say. Okay, so the first possible answer is, in my current organization I'm managing a small team of 15 people or whatever you have. So I have had a great experience and gained important skills like resource management and client servicing. So in the last 3 quarters I have led the team to beat projected targets by a sizable percentage. Okay, so I am now eager to manage a larger team because I feel that I am ready to take up more responsibility. So my current organization can offer me a promotion, but the team strength would remain the same, and the opening that you have clearly seen to be the next logical step in my career. This is basically my reason to job change. Working with your organization will enable me to successfully grow professionally. Okay guys, the second answer, the possible answer, there is no particular reasons for job change in my case. Let me be clear about the fact that I resigned from my job within a week of joining the company. I realized that my strengths and weaknesses were not aligned with the requirement of the post. Okay, it was a great experience, or it was a great organization, but their expectations from the position were different. So I decided it was best that I left at the earlier stage and started to hunt for more relevant opportunities. So it can be the possible second answer. Okay, you can give that answer if they ask the question to you. Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about the third possible answer you can give. That is, my current employer is a leading player in the corporate sector, and I have to grow and explore my interest within the organization. I have sharpened my skills in management, resource allocation, resource fund raising, and several other areas. I used to think that my calling was in this sector alone, but lately I have realized that now is the right time to actually switch through my disciplined corporate skills. I honestly want to create a greater social impact. As a result, since the past few weeks I have been seeking a good reason for job change and a great opportunity to make a switch. Okay, your organization gives me the perfect platform to do so. I am a part of the CSR team and my current organization, and want to dedicate myself fully in a similar role in your company as well. So guys, these are the possible answers you can give when if someone will ask you that what are the reasons of your job change. Okay, so never say anything wrong, anything that about your company, previous company, that your job environment was not good, I'm not working with good people, or the office there was office politics and that's why I can't survive, because it will make a very bad impact in your next interview. So interviewers are not going to take you, they will started judging you, and in that time if you say anything wrong, in that time of interview if you will say anything wrong about your company profile, that will make a very bad impact. And so guys, don't do it. Always try to upskill yourself, try to prove that you have that capability to work in, and you was an integrated part of your last organization, and right now you want to change only for the reason to make yourself a better person or a better candidate. Okay, so only then the other companies are going to absorb you. So this is for now, guys. In my today's session, I have talked about how what are the reasons of changing the career, and in my right now in my session I have talked about how to answer the questions in an interview, if the interview will ask you that why you have changed the job. So in my another session I am going to talk about something else. So this is for now. Have a very good day. Kindly stay safe, make yourself happy, make others happy. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development, in Salesforce, in Java DevOps. Okay. So if you wanted to learn all those technologies, kindly communicate with us, get the proper knowledge. Our HR persons are there, and you can communicate with them also. They will provide you the exact schedule of the training sessions and the class timings and all. And if you wanted to know about the technologies, which whatever technology is based for you, which you can learn from PCS Global, our webinar and master classes are already going on. You can join that master classes and webinars, and all those links are provided in our videos description box. You can join from there and get the proper knowledge about the technologies, and you can be a proper professional person. So this is for now, guys. Can you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. Bye.